Hi, my name is Kushal Nirola. I am presenting my final presentation of facility management on the topic of fire suppression system. Now, moving towards the topic. Fire suppression system is any product designed to stop a fire from spreading. The preventing the fire from spreading mitigates the losses and allows the time for emergency personnel to respond. This response helps to mitigate the losses and controlling the fire by use of different methods. The fire control is generally done by the use of water, as water is the best agent to control the fire. Other chemicals or gases are also used to control the fire, but as water is the best option to control the fire as it's the best extinguishing agent. Some of the products cannot be watered, so for that cases these chemicals systems are used to control the fire. Now moving towards next types of fire suppression system. There are four types of fire suppression system: early suppression, fast response system, water spray system, foam water sprinkler system, and fire cycle system. First of all, early suppression fast response system. From the topic only, it sense that the early response means the sense fire in the half time than conventional system shows that its early response, that fast response, is shown in this type of equipments. The response as fast and puts the 100 gallon per minute of water to control the fire, which is best of all, as the normal conventional system puts only 25 gallons, which is 4 times less than this method. The water size of, that is the water droplet size, is also larger, which helps to control the fire within the time, as water droplets are of larger size which can control the fire easily, and the evaporation is also adequate so that the fire can be controlled easily. These are generally installed in the ceiling, and these are generally used in the places like warehouse. Now moving to the next, water spray system is just basically a deluxe system. It uses nozzles to attack the fire from different angles at the point, so it's very useful for the equipments or the machines to control the fire. If any equipment is on fire, these types of spray system is very helpful to control the fire, as its nozzles are at certain angles and at certain locations also, so that the control of the fires will be easy. These nozzles are arranged so that the machine or equipment are safe due to fire accidents. Now these also are used to cool down the machines as well as in the areas also. These are used in factories and machinery places. Moving towards the next topic, foam water sprinkler system. It's similar to water spray system, but only the mixture of the foam concentrate injected into the water supplied of the sprinkler head. This kind of foam is used to control the fire, as these foams are generally used where there is a flammable liquid. This flammable liquid will catch fire. The water is not so effective to control the fire. The flammable liquids such as used in airports, hangars and gas stations are barely flammable, which if is spread, the water system will not control the fire. So the foam water sprinkler systems are very helpful. These foams will help to control the fire. Now moving towards the next topic, fire cycle system. These are the automatic system to control valve of water supply. These are the placed in the areas where damage from running water are as bad as the fire damage. This system uses a heat detection techniques and automatically opens in the areas of fire, and valve closes when the fire is extinguished, and again can start if the fire starts. The timing is adjusted 30 seconds, 15 minutes. This uses only the 1/10 of the water that is used by normal sprinkle, where we can say that the fire water control is also good and the maximum use of water is reduced. This helps to reduce the flooding control of the water. So hence, used in the areas like banks, pharmaceuticals, museums, air traffic control, historical sites, etc., where the waters can have adverse effect on it. Now, moving towards the next topic, waterless fire suppression system. Waterless means from the without the use of the water, that is, the use of the chemicals or any air or gases to control the fire is known as waterless fire suppression system. These are generally of 6 types: halon system, carbon dioxide system, 3M, Novex 1230, Dew-Point FM, Halotron and Halotron 2, in-airgun fire protection system. These are the 6 types. Now moving towards the first. Halon system is the halogenated hydrocarbon for firefighting with number 1201, 1211 and 1301. Works by interfacing with the fire chain reaction. Halon 1301 is effective to extinguish fire at the concentration of 6%. Halon contacts with fire to produce two gases, hydrogen fluoride and hydrogen bromide. Both of them are toxic. These gases are harmful also. Its production is banned in 1994 according to EPA Clean Air Act. But also its recycled halogen is also used to refill the halogen tank. These halogen replacements are to be done to control the environment. Hence, these were used before, and now also few are using this halon system too. It is used in engine rooms and generator rooms usually. Moving towards the next topic, carbon dioxide system. It uses carbon dioxide to control the fire by displacing oxygen. It is then of the concentration of 28.5%, so which will be effective to control the fire. It has no adverse effect on environment and no greenhouse effect too. It has a limitation only if it needs large areas for storing its concentration of 28.5%, as and is very useful areas like house, shopping malls and etc. It is used maximum nowadays as it has no adverse effect on human health. Now moving towards the next topic, 3M Novec TM1230. It's chemical with fluoroketone which helps to extinguish fire. It's a halon replacement as it causes zero ozone layer depletion and global warming potential of 1, which is normal. It's a liquid room temperature but works as a gas. It's used in concentration from 4% to 6%. It's the halon replacement as well, and it is non-conductive and non-corrosive too. So its use is maximizing nowadays and has no adverse effects on environment. Used in many buildings as fire extinguisher, no effect on environment is seen. So this can be as main replacement for halon. Now moving towards the next topic, Dew-Point FM200. It's also the chemical of hydrofluorocarbon minus 227EA which helps to extinguish fire at concentration of 7%. HFC is a displacement of hydrogen refrigeration for CFC and hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFC. It is also safe to environment, has zero ozone hole depletion, but as it's little low toxic. It's also used as propellant in pharmaceuticals inhalers. It is used as replacement for halon and is being used nowadays, and the use is also increasing. Moving towards the next topic, Halotron 1 and Halotron 2. Halotron 1 is a chemical based on HCFC 123. It is used as portable fire extinguisher. Halotron 1 is discharged quickly at a distance of 6 feet to 45 feet. Halotron 2 is used for total space flooding, as is based on HFC 124A and HFC 125 and CO2. It is used as Halon 1301 replacement. It is used to control fire in different areas like IT industries. Moving towards the next topic, in-airgun fire suppression system. In-airgun is the latest technology. It uses inert gas for suppression of the fire, which do not have any effect on environment. It never reacts with fire to form a toxic byproduct. It generally consists of 52% nitrogen, 40% argon, 8% of carbon dioxide, which is mixed in air to extinguish the fire, but the component may change after the mixing in the air. As having no effect on environment and no ozone depletion is very useful for fire accidents and are used mostly. These types of is generally used in IT offices and other buildings to control the fire. Hence, the control of the fire is the most efficient and needed work. Thank you for the video.